YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nelly and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be doing DIY wax. So as you guys know that I am an esthetician, and you know I get a lot of questions asking like, do you do your own wax and you know, stuff like that. So I used to not do my own wax. Yeah, so I used to not do my own wax when I was working, because like if I'm working, you know, in a spa or in a waxing spa or something, I mean, why not let somebody else do it? So ever since I quit, I've been having to do my own wax. I don't know, I just feel like I'm gonna take the risk and do it myself, but that's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt so bad. So I need my underarms done and I need my Brazilian area done. So I'm definitely gonna show y'all the underarm process, but I'm not gonna show you guys like my Brazilian area or nothing like that, cause y'all know why. I do want to talk to you guys about this is what I bought. So I seen this thing on, or a video on TikTok a long time ago saying like if you use this for painless wax. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it works. And I guess you have to spray it on. You have to wait for 10 minutes and then that's when you wax. But I don't know if it's gonna work, only because like when you're waxing somebody, you have to cleanse them and then you put the powder on. So if I'm cleansing it, like I'm wiping it off. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys ever got your underarms done, underarms is good for like a first wax. Underarms are not bad at all. And it grows like really slow. I think I've been growing mine out for I know when I was at European they said every 2 weeks, but no, from my underarm it takes like a month and a half for it to grow back. So it grows back really slow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cleanse it first. This is already making me nervous. I got deodorant on it. And excuse all my hair. All I'm gonna do is do it at an angle. Let me see. Did it get it all? Yep. Okay, so it's like oily. So yeah, that was necessary. I wait for 10 minutes. We're gonna see if it works. We're gonna see if this works. I'm so scared. What time is it? Okay, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the powder on. So you guys see it's still oily. Don't act like y'all ain't never seen no underarm hair before, cause I feel like it's still oily. I'm only gonna do a little piece because I'm scared. I'm so scared. I didn't get all of it, but I did like a little piece. I'm scared. Okay, 1, 2. Oh. I'm so scared. I don't know, y'all. I'm scared. I mean, it didn't even hurt that bad. Like when I try to lift it up, it didn't hurt that bad. Oh my God. Ugh, I got my arm hair. 1. Oh, that wasn't even bad. I'm gonna try another little piece. This one gonna hurt. I wish I could hold it. That wasn't even that bad. It wasn't that bad. I'm missing a whole strip of hair right here, but I'm gonna get to that side. Oh, my arm hurt. One, two. Whew. That wasn't bad. I don't know if y'all could see the hair. It wasn't bad. I'm gonna do this part. Then I'm gonna do that. It's looking pretty clean. 1, 2. Whew. 1, 2. Ooh, I'm so scared. 1, 2. And it's so low. This was making me so scared. 2, 3. Okay. Whew. That wasn't bad. It wasn't. Do I feel like it's working? I do feel like it's like a little bit working. I gotta rip it off. I gotta rip it off all at the same time for it to not hurt. I mean, it don't hurt that bad. I feel like this one might hurt more only because, I mean, it's this arm. The right side always hurts the most for everybody. This is a big strip, so hopefully I can survive. I'm gonna build this part off a little bit too. As you guys see, it's only like a little bit of hair that's left. That's gonna cut the job, cause yes ma'am. So I just pulled off like some wax. Even that didn't even hurt as much. I feel like I need one more big one for, I guess, the grand finale or whatever, and my underarm will be good. I can feel the hair pulling. Of course, the cleanup strip, it doesn't hurt as much, so. Whew. Okay, this is a semi-clean underarm. It feels really smooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil on it. It wasn't that bad. Like, as far as pain tolerance for this arm, I would give it like a 4. It wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead, ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this underarm. I know it's hairy. This one got way more hair than the other one, but it's fine. Everybody got hair, you know. It's clean now. Once again, I'm gonna wait 10 minutes for this one to numbing up, and I need to put oil on that one. So even like the after pain, like I don't feel nothing. As far as like holding it down, you know, when you have to hold it down, like I feel like that wasn't even necessary. For this underarm, like I feel like it worked. We're gonna see with this underarm, and we're gonna see how is it gonna go. Is it gonna feel the same? We're gonna see if it's a 4. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I had to take a break and I had to eat and stuff like that. However, this stuff is still under my underarms, and we're about to get this over with. And then on top of that, I had to put on my chemical pills, because it is my 2nd month doing a chemical pill, and we're gonna make sure we look right. I'm gonna do a little piece, and then we're gonna work our way down. I'm sorry, y'all. It's not gonna be too much commentary in this video because I want to hurry up and get this over with. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. There you go. Okay, that wasn't bad. This is the worst application that I could do. But that came on. Okay. It's not bad. My arm is starting to hurt. I'm so scared. Oh my God, this has to hurt the most. I can't. Okay, a piece broke off. There we go. Whew. I'm starting to sweat. This is clean. This is what we have left. I'm only gonna get in there a little bit because I can't do this by myself. I can't. Two. This long hair. I need to start doing my underarms often. Like the moment I see 3 pieces of hair, it needs to be taken off. Okay, almost there. There you go. Whew. This arm is definitely hard to do. Over here. Okay. The farther that it's out and the fact that I can't hold it, it makes it hurt more. So, dang. There we go. Just a little bit right there. Making me nervous to do my Brazilian. Okay, so I felt like the Dermaplast, it worked on this arm. This arm, I mean, like I said, because it is the right side of your body, usually the right side of your body hurts the most. Say like when you get a wax, the right side of your lip hurts more and the right side of your butt cheek. When you're doing the butt strip, it hurts more or it feels hotter. So, you know, it's something about the right side. I don't know. Ooh, that wasn't good. Okay, so I'm not doing anymore. I don't really care about like the little hairs. Ain't nobody gonna see it anyways. Nobody's gonna be like, let me look at your underarms. Like, nobody's gonna be like that. Put my post wax on it because it feels so good. All right, y'all, that is the end of the underarm. I'll be back, guys, tomorrow, and then I'm gonna finish. So I'll see y'all later.